Fondly recalling, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and expressive phrase in the English language, fondly recalling. This phrase can add depth to your conversations and writings, allowing you to express sentiments with nuance and warmth. Let's dive into the meaning, usage, and the subtle emotions it conveys. Fondly recalling is a phrase that combines two powerful words, fondly and recalling. Fondly is an adverb that describes an action done with affection or love. It implies a tender, warm feeling. Recalling, on the other hand, means to bring a memory back into one's mind. So, when you put these two words together, fondly recalling involves remembering past events, people, or experiences with warmth and affection. You can use fondly recalling in various contexts. 1. Reminiscing personal memories, when sharing personal stories or memories with friends and family. For example, I find myself fondly recalling the summers I spent at my grandmother's house. 2. In writing, it's a beautiful phrase to use in descriptive writing, helping readers feel the warmth and affection in the narrative. 3. During speeches or toasts. When giving a speech or a toast, using fondly recalling can add a layer of warmth and sincerity to your words. To help you understand better, here are some example sentences. 1. Fondly recalling our childhood adventures brings a smile to my face. 2. She spent the evening fondly recalling the early days of her career. 3. During the reunion, we found ourselves fondly recalling the unforgettable school trips. Fondly recalling is more than just a phrase. It's a window into our emotions and memories, expressing them with warmth and affection. It allows us to connect with our past and the emotions tied to it in a tender and loving way. We hope this video helps you incorporate this beautiful phrase into your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself fondly recalling the progress you've made in your language journey. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.